Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Reef. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here, okay, and everything you do to contribute towards this channel. Really appreciate everything that you're doing, you know, and your subscription, obviously. So diving into Reef then, it's looking all right. It's looking pretty good, actually. This pattern that we're anticipating, this W double bottom here, is playing out right now. And I could kick myself that I missed that head and shoulders, you know. Beat myself over that. Anyway, shite happens, okay? Shite happens. I should have seen that because I was biased towards the upside. Because I am bullish on Reef, okay? What we do need to do though, right here, we've broken out his pattern we're anticipating yesterday. I don't know if any of you seen that, where we got this W bottom here. It said come down. As long as we make this high low, okay, this high low, then you're looking at breaking this resistance level here at 0.37. You're looking at that push on and that target there up to 0.39682. If we can get up to there, well, roughly that sort of area, okay? So if we can get up there, golden. But what we do need to do, if you zoom out a little bit here, okay, you start to zoom out. Like I said to you, we do need to get back into this ascending triangle, okay, on the grand scheme of things. We do need to come back into this ascending triangle to sort of march on and make these highs. But right now, I'm just going to tidy this up a little bit because I'm seeing something, okay, that we do need. So that's the target there. What I'll do, I'll drop a line in right there for that now. So at the moment, what we're looking at here is another repeat pattern, okay? And on the grand scheme of things, when you zoom out, you see more things, right? And what we do need to see ourselves do is, obviously, we've got a couple of targets right now. Obviously, we've got this price target here, which is the reversal of this W bottom, which we're anticipating, and that'll move up to there. I would anticipate that we do hit ahead there, okay? We will run into a level of resistance if we was to get that high. So you may see it fall back, but as long as we can remain in this ascending triangle, okay, on the grand scheme of things, that's great. But then the next target is this high here, okay? You do need to see us march on to that high, and then obviously that high, because what I'm going to show you right now is another little pattern that's playing out, okay? So look at this here. You've got this sort of pattern here, this W bottom. You see that where you made the low and then a lower low. Just there, you got a W pattern where you low, and a lower low, and from that you start to march on. You see this recovery here, you got marched on, okay, you got through the EMAs, okay, and then you made this high up here, okay. So effectively this here is now this. Do you see this? But what you need to do to verify is take out this high, because what you're doing here is you're making higher lows, okay? So what you need to be doing, because you've basically come down and found a base there and you're moving up, you do need to start seeing yourself making these higher highs, pushing you up. So effectively you do need to get through all these levels of resistance now and push on up to here to sort of keep well within this sort of pattern that we've got going. Because there's patterns within patterns within patterns, honestly. It just goes on and on and on. So if we fail now to make and break those highs, these targets in this channel for Reef, then you are looking at that rollover, falling out of this ascending triangle, okay, on the grand scheme of things, which is a very bullish continuation pattern, by the way. If we fall out of that, then you are looking at a level of consolidation, okay, and you are looking at a really long, stagnant, sideways level of consolidation where you will potentially just sort of roll down and start hugging this bottom and this upper trend line here and just sort of trading sideways like that, you know, and effectively running out of steam, which is something that Cardano's done right now, okay. So these are really key targets in Reef that we do need to see us get sell through, okay, to validate this sort of reversal pattern that we've got going on there. So it is, you got your bottom, another bottom, another bottom. Do you see that? And then you've gone up from that bottom there and you've marched on and made that high there. If we can get that sort of pattern now where we do start to push up above these EMAs like we did there, back test it and fall on the 20 there as support, and then get through the 55 and fall on that as support and start to form that bullish cross, because you can see the EMAs here, it's starting to curl, okay, it's starting to look very positive, starting to look good, the curl there, okay, just like you here, you got that curl, you start to come up and form this bullish cross. If we can see that bullish cross, you know, then I would anticipate that you are looking for Reef to march on, okay, and at least start attacking these highs. So really important time. Who said consolidation was boring, eh? So hopefully, first target is this, obviously. That's our first target. So keep an eye on that. I would expect a level of rejection there, okay, a level of resistance, because you can see effectively what you've got is something very similar there. That particular target where it went up at a level of resistance and fell back onto the EMAs there. So hopefully we can march on, hit our head, fall back onto the EMA, the red line, okay, as support, okay. Bounce off that, giving you power, because what happens is you fall on these EMAs as support, and they creep up, they start pushing you towards these targets. Take out that 039, okay? Take out that target there. Then march on and take out that high there, okay? You need to take out that high just there, okay? Take out that high at 043019, so 041305, okay? Take out that target, and then obviously we've got our ultimate target there. That's all the way up there at 04578. But I wouldn't expect that Reef will get there overnight, okay? And if you do start seeing it's hitting its head and falling back down, then you are looking at that larger consolidation range there for Reef, very similar to what we've got going on for Cardano, and it will get quite flat and quite boring, and hopefully we can pick up some sort of trades in between inverse head and shoulders, double M tops, W bottoms, all sorts of patterns that go on that are highly tradable, just like these were just here. You know, we missed this short opportunity here, and I do apologize. We missed that fantastic short opportunity there, which was from there down to there, roughly, you know, 10%. But now this particular long of around 6% is looking likely at the moment. So it's all good. It's all good. Reef. So that's Reef. A bit flat, bit boring, but on the grand scheme of things, still really bullish, okay? But we do need to see ourselves get back in this ascending triangle to march on and approach these highs and take them out, and obviously get to our targets up here that we've outlined in the video many moons ago. So do stay tuned, stay strong, stay safe, and I will catch you in tomorrow's Reef update. Take care, bye bye.